Want to create a website for free in 2026 without buying hosting or hiring a developer? Here are 5 of the best free website platforms for beginners, bloggers, students, and anyone testing a new website idea. At number 5, we have freehosting.com. It is traditional free hosting provider that lets you host your own domain name. Its free plan includes storage, unmetered bandwidth, a MySQL database, cPanel access, a website builder, and an application installer. It is suitable for users who want more hosting control, although important features such as free SSL may require a paid upgrade. At number 4, it is infinityfree.com. It is a strong option for users who want to install WordPress or build a website using PHP and MySQL. You receive a free hosting, SSL certificates, subdomains, custom domain support, and access to an application installer. It is the best for students, developers, testing websites, and small personal projects as well. At number 3, we have WordPress.com. This is one of the best free platforms for blogs, content-focused websites. It provides managed hosting, website themes, and SSL certificate, and also the WordPress blog editor. However, the free plan uses a WordPress.com subdomain, and advanced customization requires an upgrade. At number 2, we have Blogger.com. Google's free blogging platform is ideal for anyone who wants to start a simple blog without worrying about hosting, security, or maintenance. It includes a free blogspot address, HTTPS, basic customization tools, and options to connect a separate purchased custom domain as well. At number 1, we have Wix.com. It is the best choice for beginners who want a drag and drop website builder. With Wix, you will get a free hosting, professional templates, AI website building tools, and easy visual editor. It works well for portfolios, landing pages, personal website, and small business websites as well. So, if you are planning to create a website for free without spending a single penny for hosting, then these 5 websites you can try. But if you are serious about your online business, if you're serious about you starting a career online, then I would recommend you to go with paid hosting. And when we talk about paid hosting, I always recommend Hostinger or Bluehost as the best choice for beginners. You can check the video description for promotional links, or you can visit our website besthostingcoupons.com for more details and discounts. Thank you for watching.